All right, so this is the final light, and if you guys can see, this thing is super bright. Your backyard, you don't have to worry. It's outdoor graded. It's perfect. So let me show you the rest of the yard. Right, because I put it really high, I'm gonna show you guys my backyard how bright it is. All right, just got this post. We set it up. It's a little getting rusted already in the corners. Now let's see how sturdy it is. I put it on a long post, a 12 footer. It's gonna be a 8 footer post, but it's gonna be around 12 foot after it's done. But this is a 3 inch, the top. This is I believe it's 3.5, and I had to cut the actual post because the post is about 4 by 4. It's a 4 by 4, so I had to cut it just a little enough so I could fit this in and tie these screws in. All right, and right now it's on its side because it's windy. I don't want it to fall, but we're gonna test it out tonight. Highlight like this, and I just the outdoor pole. Make sure you stabilize it and tie it up to the top, and you should be good. So